How to connect a Bluetooth device to your LG Smart TV. Now, in this case, we'll connect Bluetooth speakers. So the first thing that we want to do is click on the settings icon right here on the remote control. Now, once we have selected settings, what we're going to do is we're going to go into all settings by clicking on this button here. So just click on it like so. And here it's going to take a little bit of time to load all of the settings, but we want to go into sound. So click on sound, and then we'll go into sound out. Click on sound out, and you will see some options here to use a wired speaker or a wireless speaker. So we're going to click wireless speaker, and you will see Bluetooth device as the first option. So once we select it, it will show all of the devices that are currently in range, and we can choose from this list right here, and we can select speaker connection settings, and we can also choose how many devices will be connected. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.